Escape speed. What is escape speed? The speed with which an object is thrown to space such that it doesn't fall back to the earth is called escape speed. Let initial speed of an object is vi and h plus re is the position of the body from the center of earth, where re is the radius of the earth and h is the height of the body from earth's surface. Then what will be the total initial energy of the body at a height h from earth's surface? It is equal to E, suppose h plus re, that is equal to the sum of the kinetic energy and potential energy. Here half mvi square is the kinetic energy and minus g me into m divided by h plus re plus omega plus w1 is the potential energy, and this is the potential energy at a height h, and here w1 is the potential energy at infinite. The total final energy of the body at infinite will be equal to E infinite, that is equal to half m v f square plus w1. Since we know that the potential energy at infinite equal to 0, so w1 here will be equal to also 0 and w1 here will be also equal to 0. Then applying conservation of energy, the initial total energy, this term must be equal to the final total energy, that is half m vf square. So applying conservation of energy, you can write this equation, and the body or object can reach infinite as long as this term in the left hand side is greater than or equal to 0. Then what will be the minimum value of the initial velocity with which a body is projected upward, such that the body will not return back to Earth's surface? So the minimum value of the velocity vi will be equal to half m vi square minus g m e into m divided by h plus re must be equal to 0, or half m vi square. Here we have taken the minimum speed, that is why we have written minimum, that must be equal to g m e into m divided by h plus re. So vi minimum will be equal to square root of 2g m e divided by h plus re square root, and if the object is thrown from the surface, then h will be equal to 0, so v minimum will be equal to twice g m e divided by re square root. But from Newton's universal law of gravitation, we know that F equal to g m e into m divided by re square, but F equal to mg, so g into re will be equal to g m e divided by re, and if you substitute here the value of g m e divided by re is equal to g re, or from equation 4 and 5 we get vi minimum will be equal to square root of 2g re. So putting the value of g, that is the acceleration due to gravity, and re, that is the radius of earth, we will get the minimum speed with which you project the body is equal to approximately equal to 11.2 km per second. So if you throw a body with a speed 11.2 km per second, then it will not come back towards surface. This is called the escape speed, and this is called the escape speed, sometimes loosely called the escape velocity. Why moon has no atmosphere? Because the escape speed in moon is 2.3 km per second, which is about 5 times smaller than the escape speed in earth. So gas molecules, if formed on the surface of the moon, will escape the gravitational pull of the moon. And you can calculate the escape speed in moon by substituting the value of g in moon and the radius of the moon. using this formula.